Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I are for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. For those of you that complains on my voice, I'm so sorry for that. And that is my voice, and I will try to see shout so you can see let me see shout shout shout. And so let's DIY this sequence headband. So this sequence headband turban, so this is joined together, and I'll be showing the material needed for this. Material needed for this, I have my turban cap. I have a lot of videos on how to make turbans for beginners. Just check my videos, my previous video, you're going to see it there. And that is my fiber, and this time around I'll be working with kilo. This type of thing is measured in kilo parts, and this is my sequence. This is the normal sequence that we're familiar with. This is normal sequence. I love this sequence so much, so I'm working with this sequence, and that is it. So the measurements I use here, I use 5.5 inches. You can use 6 inches. 5.5 inches is okay. That is the wideness of it, and 40 inches long. Again, I'll repeat it again. 5.5 inches wide by 40 inches long. You're going to sew it, and you're going to turn it out. Sorry, I did not show you that part. So sorry. Well, just look at it. I don't even think I'm going to do this video, but later when I was doing it, so I decided to share my knowledge with you, so you're going to see it. So just that is it. It is 40 inches. So the 3 pieces is with me. Check previous on my videos on how to make braided. You're going to see how to cut and sew. So these 3 together, you're going to do a running stitching, and you're going to sew it tight. Just check what I'm doing. You sew it tight. It's so easy to do. Yes, so easy to do. You can decide to sew it on your sewing machine. Just depend how you want it, but I love preferring using my needle and thread. So the 3 pieces is joined together. I join the 3 together and lay the 3 pieces together, and that is 1 2 3. So we have 3 pieces of sequence in 40 inches. That is it. So the next we'll be doing now, you're going to be adding your fiber to it. In this time around, this is how we're going to be adding our fiber to it. So you keep doing that. And you have to be so careful here. You need to be so careful when you're doing it. You need to be so careful. Just keep doing that. If you have a pencil, you can easily use a pencil to push it in to make it so fast, but because I'm showing you, I'm taking it easy. So when you get to the last place, you're going to stop. Just keep doing this. If you are seeing my videos for the first time here in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you all for your love and your support. I love you so much. Thank you. So you keep doing this. Just see what I'm doing. Keep doing this till you get to the last place. So keep doing that. So keep doing that. So keep doing that. So this is three, and you're going to braid. You can just hang it, or you can ask someone to hold it for you. And when you're braiding, just make it so tight. Don't make it, you just make it so tight. Just look at it. Can you see the beauty of it? Is really beautiful. I just love it. I love it. I love the look. I love the shape. I love everything about it. It's big, and it's going to look like gilly, and that is it. So the last bit, what you're going to be doing next now, you're going to measure it. Make sure you measure it and see how it's going to fit your head before you sew it together. So I take it to my head and measure it on my head, and I see how it look like. If you have a dummy's head, just use it. So that is it, and I'm going to sew it. So that's it, guys. I'm done with the sewing. So you're going to take this to the turban body, and you're going to join it together at the back. So that's it. It's join it together. Join it together, and this is the final look. So you can leave it if you want to leave it, and then I'm going to give it two in one. So check previous of my video on how I make the two in one turban and braided. So this is it. This is so beautiful. I love you so much. So this is so beautiful. Just look at it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're here for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on my videos. Do that for me. God, I love this. I really love this. I really love the colors, like white and silver. So the color is so beautiful. And if you're doing turban, if your client is choosing, just try to know how to mix color. If you're doing it, you want to add it to your business, just try to work with colors, and that is so important. Work with colors. So this is white and silver. I can imagine doing it in boya blue, doing it wine